In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a rear sway bar link on your Subaru Impreza. Use a 19mm socket and take off your 5 lug nuts. We're going to remove this 14mm nut. There is an Allen key inside of the stud if you need to hold it still. I'm going to put a pair of grip pliers on the back. To hold the stud still while I take the nut off. I'm going to use a 14mm wrench to hold the bolt on the back, and a 14mm socket to remove this nut. Pull your bolt out, and now you can pull your sway bar link out. Install your new rear sway bar link. Get it in place. I recommend putting the bolt through first. And then pushing the top in. Start this by hand, same as the one up top. Using a 14mm wrench and socket, just snug these down. Using a 14mm wrench, I'm going to hold the back. Using a 15mm socket, I'm going to snug it down. Torque this bottom bolt to 28 foot-pounds. And do the same thing to the top. And reinstall your wheel. Just snug these down for now. Go ahead and torque your 5 lug nuts in a star pattern to 100 foot-pounds. And then just give them a once-over.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.